Hello everyone, in this video, I will briefly talk about how to download Blender. Visit Blender's official website. To download Blender, you need to visit the official website, http://weblenderberg. To download the latest version of Blender, click on the Download Blender button in the top right corner of the homepage. To download Blender, click on the download button that is appropriate for your operating system, such as Windows, Mac, or Linux. After the download process starts, you can find the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Install Blender. Open the downloaded file and start the Blender installation wizard. During the installation, select I agree to accept the license agreement. Then choose where to install Blender and click on the Install button. After the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. To launch Blender, click on the Blender shortcut on your computer or use the Start menu to launch Blender. When Blender starts, click on the New option in the File menu to create a new project or use the Open option to open an existing project. Blender's usage is quite comprehensive, so learning more may be required to use all of the program's features. However, there are several tutorial videos and Blender documentation available to help you create and edit your projects using Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and like.